How to connect your Facebook account or Facebook page to your Shopify store step by step in this video. So wait till the end and I will show you how you can simply do it. Connecting your Facebook account to Shopify unlocks tools like Facebook Shops, Instagram Shopping, and Metapixel tracking. Prepare your Facebook asset. Make sure you have the following: a Facebook Business Manager account, a Facebook page for your store, an Instagram business account, a Facebook ad account, and a made up pixel account. Shopify can create one for you. Ensure all assets are in the same business manager. Step 2 is go to the Facebook sales channel in Shopify. Click on Setting, App and Channel, then click on Facebook. Install it from the Shopify App Store. Click Setup. Connect your Facebook account from then. Shopify will walk you through logging into your Facebook. Then connecting Business Manager, selecting your Facebook page, connecting your ad account, linking your Instagram ID, choosing the Metapixel account if you have it. Then step 4 will be set up your Facebook shop at the last. After account connections, Shopify will ask you to set up a Facebook shop, choose which product you want to send, and product must meet Facebook's commerce eligibility requirement. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.